Hi, I'm Gilpin. I'm a hand knit designer, a lover of wool, and a knitter at heart. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I do a lot of work in fashion. I'm a teacher and author of a beautiful book on Gansey knitting with Sheila Greenwell and judge on the game of wool. You can find on my channel the most incredible series of my Cabinet of Curiosities, where I delve into 42 years of designing and making. You'll also find so many very special techniques, some of which we use in our couture hand knitting, stories about some of the amazing artists and designers that I admire and love, and who I have designed special pieces for, like Carrington. You'll also find out about my love of Scotland, the landscape, the colours, through all my different pieces of colour work. And I hope it will inspire you and give you a real joy for the love of knitting. When I'm not knitting, you'll find me out in the countryside, by the beach, with Louis, enjoying a walk and chilling out. Subscribe, like, comment, share. I'd love you to be part of my journey on my YouTube channel.